In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the download location in Microsoft Edge. This is a handy tip for anyone looking to customize where their files are stored, ensuring easy access and better organization. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to set your downloads to go exactly where you want them with just a few clicks. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once you're in the browser, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice an icon with 3 dots. This is your go-to place for accessing various settings and options within your browser. Give it a click and a drop-down menu will appear, filled with different tools and settings to explore. This menu is essential for tailoring Edge to your needs, so it's a great idea to familiarize yourself with what's available. Now, from the list that appears, locate Settings. Clicking on this option will take you to the main hub where you can adjust numerous features of your Edge browser to suit your preferences. It's like the control center for your browsing experience. Once you're in the settings area, notice the sidebar on the left. Among several options, you'll find one labeled Downloads. This is our point of focus today. Click on Downloads, which will direct you to the area where you can adjust all download-related preferences. After clicking on the Downloads option, you'll see a page with various download settings. This is where we fine-tune your download experience. At the top of this page, you'll find the Location section, which is what we're focusing on today. This section shows you where your current downloads are automatically saved. If you're looking to change this location to align with your organizational needs, go ahead and click the Change button. Once you've clicked Change, a window will open, allowing you to browse through your folders and files. This is where you select the new folder you'd like to designate as your download destination. All your future downloads will be saved here in this specific location that you've chosen. Navigate through your file system, explore the different folders, and select the one that best fits your needs. Maybe it's a dedicated Downloads folder, or perhaps something a bit more specific to your work or hobbies. Once you've made your choice, click on the Select Folder button to confirm your decision. And that's it. You've successfully customized your download location in Microsoft Edge. From now on, every time you download a file, it'll automatically go to the new folder you chose, making it much easier to find what you need quickly and efficiently. This small customization can save you time and help keep your files organized, so you can focus on more important tasks at hand. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and click that subscribe button for more handy tech tips.